Hi everybody, today we're going to feature the MagLula Range BenchLoader for AR15 M4 magazines, both polymer and steel. So let's show you how it works. You place it on the surface, you take the magazine and you press it in until it clicks. Then you can start setting the bullets inside. So now we are ready. In case you want to know how many bullets you're going to load into the magazine, we have a counter here on the side from 1 to 30. So let me show you how you're going to load the magazine. You press it down on the surface and all you got to do is push this in. And we're good to go. That's the MagLula Range BenchLoader for you. Thank you very much for watching. For more information on our products, visit our website and to find your local MagLula dealer.